are some of the most beautiful, loving, and caring people around us.
Every woman is strong, every woman is brave, every woman is bold.
ये देखिए भैया जिसकी मौत को चिंटू कह के बुलाती है।
अच्छा चिंटू की चिंटू नहीं हो जाएगी तो और क्या हो जाएगी? चिंटू
तेरी मेरी गल्लाएं होगी मशहूर, करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर। कितने चलिए कितने चलिए तू कितने चलिए, जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिया तू, तेरे बिना मैं ना रहूं मेरे बिना तू।
Good morning, students. Before we continue, do you have any doubts from the last lecture that we had? No. We are going to start a new chapter today. So if you have any doubts, let's clear it now. Okay. So before we proceed, I've gone through some of your projects that were given to you, and which were all using AI, that you guys have used. See, we are living in a world of AI. Using AI is fine, but using it efficiently and correctly is what matters, right? And you guys have just copied and pasted, but which does not look good, right? And they were not pleasing and learn projects. So as you can understand that we should have made the projects that were really pleasing. Is there anything wrong here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you will wait after the class and I want to meet you. And meet your parents as well. Yeah. So the class is dispersed now and Pranav, you will wait.
What do you do? What's written?
Is there a problem, Lalus? Was there anything funny happening?
No, ma'am.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I want to meet your parents. So,
Proceed. I'm sorry. So actually, few of our students are really misbehaviors. They are disturbing me in class at throwing papers on the assets. Due to which I'm not able to focus on the studies and lagging here.
see class, things like this keep happening. You have to deal with such people in life and move forward. You can't just get distracted because of such people in life. You have to move forward. You should not give up on your dreams. You dreamt of this, right? You come into great college, being a great student over here. You are you have so much potential in yourself. You know it, and you're lagging back because of these people. Not just in college, you'll get such people in your career as well. So don't get demotivated because of them, and don't get your morale down because of such people in life. If you have any problem, you can talk to me. I'm always here for you. As a teacher, I would be the proudest teacher if you grow in your life, okay? So don't get demotivated because of this.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Bruno worked very hard in college, and Bruno got a job in a multinational company. Now the seed is settling to a corporate.
Hello?
Yes, Dee.
Hi Chintu, how are you?
I'm good, Dee. How are you?
So, are you free this weekend?
Yes, Dee. I'm free.
Because I'm planning to visit you.
Yeah, you can.
Do you need anything?
Not as such, but you can bring seat for me.
As always, please. Okay, I'll bring it for you.
Yes, Dee. Bye.
Morning, Amma.
Hi, Dee. Guys, after study.
Safe place.
Yeah, so what means is,
So tell me how your knowledge is going on here.
all good, Dee. I'm happy here.
But I can't sense it from your face.
No, Dee. I'm okay.
Come on, tell me the truth. You don't seem to be happy here.
Actually, your students are Miss Baby. They are bullying me. They are teasing me. They're not good. Even I'm missing my book. I don't know why. Something is lacking. Due to which my schools are also affected.
Look at being with all those hands here. It's not easy. I completely understand. acknowledge that I don't belong from there, right? But see, people who laugh at you today, you're not gonna decide the future. It's you, right? You're gonna decide it, boy. So, we're gonna go okay. In life, we're gonna meet lots of people, okay, who wanna try to pull your leg back, you're gonna break your confidence, but it won't stop, and they will win, okay. So, rather than that, what you wanna do is stay focused, work hard, and stay consistent in what you do, okay, so that one day you will achieve your success, okay, and that will answer everything or whatever we said you will. Okay, I guessed our family. Remember, so now your turn to show who you are and where you want to be in future. You have to show your potential, right?
Yes, I wish.
At getting,
Yes,
I think it's too much gyan for you here.
yeah, actually.
So now let's see what your mama has to say for you.
But let me check what Mama is made for. Oh, laddus. But how did Mama got time? She's always busy with her work.
She used to busy with her work, but somehow she able to manage her time for her gym. After all, you are a fit now.
की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी हो खुदा पे भी असर तू दुआओं का है घर मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा ओ माँ मेरी माँ
Okay, Chintu, I'm leaving. I have a meeting tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. If you need anything, just let me know.
Yeah.
Okay, and don't worry. Everything will follow fine.
Yes.
Okay, take care. Huh?
Bye.
Bye.
Now it is a time of our life when we all have to provide to our family by contributing. And now this is a scene where we are sitting to an office cubicle.
Hi, how are you?
हे पूजा काफी स्ट्रेस कर रही है सूख गई हो काफी चलो तुम्हारे आटे में वे प्रोटीन मिला दी चल जाओगी क्या ऐसा है तेरी बाटी वाली माउंटेन ऑर्डर किया है मैंने
Hey, what's up, guys?
गुड मॉर्निंग
Morning, morning. Have seen the news? Yes. This guy did, Pranav. How long have you been working over here, Pranav?
So it's been 3 years. Precisely 3 years. And you're still handling the draft quality work?
Honestly speaking, Pranav, by now you should be handling one of the department, but your work is not up to the par, right?
So actually, the data will shut up. Let's go and finish the work properly.
कॉम्प्लेन लिखे पीते कान पे डायरेक्टर बन जाएगा बस
Fast.
That was too rough, man. He didn't need to do this. He put up the whole flow.
Actually, but somewhere he was right. It's been 3 years I'm working.
Stop. He was just frustrated because of the deadline. Don't let his bad mood write your history here, Pranav. Remember the Q1 project you launched? It was a blast. You are bad at this. You're just lacking. You're just first out.
But it's hard when someone sold you for just 10 minutes.
Don't do this for him then. Do it for yourself. You're better than that slam fight he throwed on you. Look, I have got 20 minutes. Let's look into the section he hated the most. We'll tighten them up and you will walk back in the cabin and throw this fight that he can't find the flaw in. I know you can do this, Pranav. Let's go.
Now the scene is set in after 10 years, where Pranav happily married with his love of life.
Hi, Pranav. Pranav, what happened?
Nothing much, sir.
Let's just sit and talk. Now tell me, what happened? Something went wrong?
No, everything. But I don't know why. Something is lacking. Today, my boss called. I always dream this like a house, a car, and also you. But I don't know why. I'm missing my home. Old days. When mom used to put the data for me. Father used to go office for me. And also Anna. But I don't know why. Something is lacking.
It's totally okay to feel this way, Pranav. This is what life is. Life comes with ups and downs, but it's okay to feel this way. You always wanted this kid, this house, me, and this luxury car. It's okay to feel this, and we'll get through this.
Yeah.
और बेटा सब कैसे चल रहा है?
सब ठीक हो माँ, आप कैसे हो?
हम तो ठीक है, पर तुम्हारे वैसा चल रहा है?
सब ठीक चल रहे हैं।
आनी श्योर?
हाँ।
जिया?
पता नहीं मम्मी इसको क्या हो गया है, सुबह सुबह रोज ऑफिस जाता है, उदास रहता है और आजकल बेटी के साथ इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी नहीं है। पता नहीं इसको क्या हो गया है।
क्यों बेटा?
ये माँ, बच्चा ही रहता है। पुराने दिनों को याद कर रहा हूँ। दौड़ता था, अपने बच्चे से खाता था, घूमता था, पर अब ऐसा नहीं रहा। अभी उठो, ऑफिस जाओ, बॉस का टेंशन, घर पे आओ, और टेंशन रहता है। नहीं जम रहा ये सब।
ये सब तो होता रहता है और ये सब तो लाइफ है, हमें ये सब के साथ ही जीना पड़ता है।
हाँ माँ।
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ये सब तो इस उम्र में लगा रहता है, लेकिन हम नहीं चाहते कि आप भी वो गलती करिए जो मैंने किया। ये माँ इस परिवार को बहुत ही संजो के रखा है, एक साथ रखा है, हमेशा सबको लेकर चला है। आपके काम के जाने के बाद बहू हमारी इस परिवार को लेकर चलती है, सभी खुशियों पे ध्यान रखती है। तो आप जी इस चीज़ को समझिए और काम कर गया है, हमेशा लगा रहता है, लेकिन काम अपनी जगह है, परिवार अपनी जगह है, और ये सब के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचिए मत, जैसा है वैसे चलने दीजिए।
आप
ठीक है, चलो आज खाने तुम्हारी मैं बनाती हूँ।
Now, proceed straight into a corporate eating.
Oh. So, ladies and gentlemen, keeping this event short, I would like to share a small story with all of you. So, decades ago, a young guy joined our company. He worked his way through, and I do remember maybe after a year or somewhat like that working, he got a nice bullying from my side because his work was not up to the par. This guy has really taught us that how resilience and hard work and how bold in his approach in his work could lead us through any difficulties. So the best CEO of award goes to Pranav.
Good evening, everyone. Today, you see me here as a shining CEO, a successful man in the society. But the truth is, this success is not mine alone. At every step I took in life, there was a woman who always stand beside me, who always guided me and supported me. First, I would like to thank you, my mother. She was a working woman who fought for me every day, not only in the office but also at home. Even when she doubted me, even when she was not respected. She never stopped loving me or supporting me in my dreams. Mom, today if I'm here because of your sacrifices. Then comes my elder sister, Anna. When I was young and immature, she was the only one who taught me the value, discipline and responsibility. She did not just even act like a sister, but act like a guide and partner. Then I could like to thank you, my teacher, Harshali ma'am. A teacher not only teach a subject, they shape our responsibility. She believed me that I had potential even when I didn't believe in myself. In my professional life, I met Pooja, where people laughed at me, bullied me, and even tried to pull me down. She stood by me and reminded me the success to those who don't give up. Then I met someone in college who changed my life forever, a woman who later became my wife, Gia, a woman who, when I doubted myself, she believed in me. When I felt like giving up, she reminded me of my dreams. She didn't walk behind me or ahead, she walked beside me. I have a beautiful daughter, Aishi, who inspired me to live like that. Today, people call me a successful man. They only see the result, but they didn't see a woman who built the path that led me here. Today, on this Women Day, I want to say something to everyone. A woman is not just a mother, sister, wife, or teacher. She is a strength, sacrifice, wisdom, and inspiration. And today, on this day, I would like to thank to all the women here. Thank you.
As a mother, as
As a mother, I feel proud when my children respect me and love me. Their respect gives me strength every day. But do the society really respects me? No. Being a woman is not an easy task. At home, at work, I always had to face a lot of problems, such as domestic violence and sexual harassment. Still, I always stand up with courage and brave. With courage, I always stand with a smile. Every day I face all of these problems. Still, next day I wake up, I smile and do all my works and do all my homework for my kids and for my family. Today, not only celebrate. Today we will not only today, but we should celebrate women every single day. Every woman is strong. Every woman is brave. Every woman is bold. And together we have the power to face and overcome any discrimination, whether it is at our homes, workplace, or at our society. Let us celebrate courage and unstoppable spirit of every woman.
when a girl walks into a room, instead of seeing her ability and confidence, people started judging her. It's like she's too fat, she's too thin, she's too dark. But who are they to decide what a perfect body for us? In this world, obsessed with appearances, they just don't know how to behave for a woman. Okay. And they just started bullying, passing on the comments and everything just to demotivate her. So they don't know. It's just small jokes or a comment plant a seed of insecurity into the mind of that girl, and that will last up to the years. So here, what's the problem? The problem is not about the body and the color. It's about the mindset that they thought they have a right to say anything and anytime. So let me remind you one thing. We all are very beautiful, just the way we are.
Women trafficking is one of the darkest crimes in our society. Every year, thousands of girls are trapped by false promises of job, education, or a better life. Instead, they are forced into exploitation, violence, and situations where their freedom is taken away. These women are not just victims in statistics, but they are daughters who never returned home, sisters whose dreams were stolen, and mothers who were denied a life of dignity. The saddest part is that many of them are silenced by fear, poverty, or lack of support. They deserve more than sympathy. They deserve justice, protection, and opportunities to rebuild their lives. As a society, we must raise awareness, support survival, and stand firmly against trafficking. Remember, we are always there for each other.
She invited me. She was wearing short clothes. She was wearing inappropriately. A small 6-month-old baby, a woman wearing burqa, a 80-year-old mother, a child thinking she was safe with her relatives. One son, rape is inevitable, so just lay down and enjoy it. Are you telling us to invite and enjoy our death? Are you telling us to invite and enjoy our mental and physical harassment? Are you telling us to enjoy and invite our lifetime fear and lifetime trauma? Each woman around me, each woman around you, and each woman around the world, at least once time she has faced one of this crime in her lifetime. Still today she is fighting for her, fighting for her family, fighting for a normal life, as well as fighting for her smile. Salute to all those women out there, and don't forget, we all are brave.
Women are some of the most beautiful, loving, and caring people around us. It is often said that behind every successful man, there is a woman. And yes, it is true. Because women don't just support us, they guide us, inspire us, and motivate us. When we talk about inspiration, we only think of few famous personalities like Kalpana Chawla, P.V. Sindhu, and many more who are known to work. But we forget to revere. But when we forget to love and respect the people and the women around us, like mother who supports and sacrifices everything for their children, a sister who emotionally supports their family, a wife who genuinely support and motivate their husbands and their kids to do more things, and working women along with the work they manage home and convert house into a home. So let us appreciate all the women around us who are not just learned by all the things but actually the love of everyone.